Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you a treatment for hair loss, thicker hair and longer hair. Please watch to the end. The first ingredient I'm going to be using is fenugreek. I made use of a tablespoon of fenugreek, and the second ingredient I'll be using is hibiscus. For the hibiscus, I don't really have a particular measurement, but I think you should make use of a tablespoon for it. I also made use of hot water. I added a glass of hot water because that's the exact measurement of the flask that I'm using. I stirred it together. After stirring it, I covered it and I left it for 6 hours for it to infuse. After the infusion, I strained it with my strainer and a bowl. Let me tell you some of the benefits of this treatment. This treatment contains fenugreek. Fenugreek is rich in vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, folic acid, potassium, and calcium, which helps in promoting hair growth and also in making your hair thick. It also has a rich source of protein and amino acid, which helps to repair hair shafts that is damaged due to dehydration, hair styling, and chemicals. I also added peppermint oil, 5 drops of my peppermint oil into this treatment. You can add any essential oil of your choice that you have at home, or you may decide not to add any essential oil if you don't have. It's not compulsory. So let's move to hibiscus. Hibiscus helps in stopping hair loss. It makes your hair looks healthy and lustrous. It also prevents premature gray hair. It thickens your hair and add volumes to your hair. It also treats dandruff. So if you have dandruff, any form of frizziness, dryness, breakage, split ends, I'll advise you make use of this treatment. I gave it a good stir before pouring it into my applicator pot too. Now, have you subscribed to my channel? If you just tuned in for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you. And for those who are always sharing my videos out, I want to say thank you. Coming back to watch my videos, thank you. Please don't forget to share this video, like, comment. Also share it with your community members if you have a community. Thank you. So the first thing I did for the application was to spray it on my scalp. For you to have a healthy hair, you have to have a healthy scalp. So I sprayed it on my scalp in order for me to have a healthy hair. So when it grows out, it grows healthy. This also helps to increase your hair volume and thickness. So I sprayed it down to the tip of my hair. So you should do same. If you don't have your hair like this, the way I have it on braids, you should spray it from the scalp to the tip of your hair and you massage. One good thing about this treatment is that it can be applied on cornrows, it can be applied on braids, it can be applied on loosed hair. So after applying this all over my hair, I went in with my hair butter, my fenugreek, and my moringa hair butter. I'll be leaving the link down below in case you want to make it for yourself. It's also amazing. Then I sealed it up with my oil, my rosemary oil. I'll also be leaving that below so you can use it or may decide to make it. So a quick one, have you subscribed to my channel? If you've not, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell in order to get notified whenever I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you. You are amazing. I love you all. See you on my next video. Bye.